Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about
the previous gate question.
right. See, this is the data for 3 questions. This is the only data for 3 questions. Let's see the data. A 4-pole machine, 50 heads, 48 slots, double layer winding, 48 slots, double layer winding. Nothing but 1 slot, 2 coil sides. 1 slot, 2 coil sides. 1 slot, 2 coil side, nothing but 1 coil. 1 slot, 1 coil. 1 slot, 2 coil sides, nothing but 2 coil sides, nothing but 1 coil. So 1 slot, 1 coil, 48 slots, nothing but 48 coils. 48 coils. Right. Each coil has 10 tons. 48 coils, number of tons. Number of tons is equals to 48 coils multiplied by each 10 tons. So what is the answer? 480 tons. Number of tons are 480. Number of tons 480 tons, and is short pitched by 36 degrees. Short pitched by 36 degrees electrical. The fundamental flux per pole 0.025 Webers. 0.025 Webers. Then find the phase-to-phase induced EMF. How we can find phase-to-phase induced EMF? E is equals to 4.44 into 5 into F into tons per phase, because we required phase-to-phase. Tons per phase multiplied by Kp and Kd. Kp and Kd. First we have to find out the Kp. Tell me Kp is equals to how much? Tell me Kp is equals to how much? Kp is equals to cos alpha by 2, nothing but cos 36 by 2, cos 36 by 2, nothing but 0.951. 0.951. This is my Kp, cos alpha by 2. Alpha they given, short pitched by 36 degrees. 36 by 2, 18, cos 18. You have to remember this word. Cos 18, 0.951. Right, okay, now I want Kd. Before Kd, we have to know M and beta. What is the M value? M is equals to number of slots per pole per phase. Number of slots per pole per phase. 12 by 3, 4. M is equals to 4. M is equals to 4. And we have to find out the beta, slot angle. Beta or gamma. Gamma, slot angle gamma. Slot angle gamma is equals to 180 by slots per pole. 180 by slots per pole. How much? 180 by slots per pole. Slots per pole 12. So this is 15 degrees. The slot angle 15 degrees and the phase belt M is equals to 4. Then now tell me what is Kd? What is Kd? Kd is equals to sine M gamma. M gamma by 2 divided by M into sine gamma by 2. M into sine gamma by 2. Nothing but sine 30 by sine 15 by 2 into 4. If you calculate this value, you can get 0.957. 0.957. This is the value. Kp, Kd. Actually, I got this Kd value and Kp and tons per phase. The total number of tons 480. 480 tons per phase is a 4-pole 3-phase machine. 4-pole 3-phase machine. 3-phase machine. That's why what is the answer? Generally 160 number of tons for each phase. Actually total for 3 phases 480. For one phase 480 by 3, 160 tons T phase. So I got T phase, frequency 50 Hz, flux they given, and etc. Now tell me, what is the EMF per phase? The EMF per phase is equals to 4.44 multiplied by 0.025 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 160 multiplied by 0.951 multiplied by 0.957. This is the E phase. If you calculate this, we can get 808 volts. We can get 808 volts is the E phase. E phase is the 808 volts. Our first question, the phase to phase induced EMF. The phase to phase induced EMF is the 808. Next, second question, the line to line induced EMF in star connected alternator. The line to line induced EMF in star connected alternator. What is line to line EMF? E line to line is equals to root 3 into E phase. Root 3 into E phase. If you calculate this value, you can get 1400 volts. We know E phase value. Line value for star connection multiplied by root 3. Then we can get 1400 volts for line to line. These are the answers for 2 questions. But another question also is there. Fifth harmonic component of phase EMF for 3-phase star connected alternator is fifth harmonic component. Nothing but here we have to place EP5 and KD5. Right? Fifth harmonic EMF. They want fifth harmonic EMF. 4.44 into flux and frequency for fifth harmonics and tons, okay, and Kp for fifth harmonics and Kd for fifth harmonics. We have to find out Kd5, Kp5, frequency for fifth harmonics, flux for fifth harmonics. Then we have to substitute all those values. Let's check it. I have to find out first Kp5, for example. I am finding Kp5. Kp5 is equals to cos phi alpha divided by 2. Nothing but cos phi into 36 divided by 2. Because the given alpha is the 36. So now tell me Kp5. Kp5 is equals to 2 1s, 2 18s. 5 18s are 90 degrees. What is Kp5? Cos 90. What is the value of cos 90? 0. So Kp5 is equals to 0. Now can you tell me what is the EMF for fifth harmonic? For fifth harmonic EMF is equals to 0. So why it is 0? Once see here. If I have to find out fifth harmonic EMF, I have to substitute here Kp5. If I substitute here Kp5, this is the 0. 0 into anything. 0. So this is the way of approaching of question. Actually, if you started to find Kd5, frequency phi, flux phi, and then after Kp5, then also you can get 0, but a lot of waste of time. You have to think once. If alpha is the 36 degrees, if the sharp pitch angle is 36 degrees, which harmonics are completely eliminated? 180 by 536. So fifth harmonics are completely eliminated. So Kp5 is 0. You have to think that. when you have an idea, if alpha is equals to 36, when Kp is equals to 0, if alpha is equal to 36 degrees, then Kp phi is the 0, then the third answer is just a time of 1 second, not even 1 second. Otherwise, you have to waste your time. Right, sir? So, what is our answer for this question? The fifth harmonic component of phase, the fifth harmonic component of phase EMF, fifth harmonic component of phase EMF for three-phase star-connected alternator is 0. Why? Because my Kp phi is 0. Very simple question actually, but lengthy because we have 3 questions, right? One is the E phase, other one is the E line, other one is the fifth harmonic EMF. But here you have to observe that how I find that number of turns per phase and M and the slot angle gamma.